Hello viewers, welcome to another section of this tutorial. Kindly subscribe if you haven't pressed the subscribe button. Don't miss out any tutorial video I post on this platform. Now let's follow this to the end so that you get a full understanding of the problem we have on board. So we say find d of arcsin2x over dx. That is, we are differentiating the function y is equal to arcsin2x. So if you differentiate this function, the result is what the question is demanding from us. So to start with, when you say arcsin means sine inverse. So you have y to be equal to sine inverse of 2x. Now this is a composite function, so you make u to be equal to 2x. Then the u over the x will be equal to 2. So you put this one down. So here we are remaining with y is equal to sine inverse of what? U. So at this point, if sine inverse of u is y, then sine y is equal to u. So therefore sine y is equal to u. We will differentiate both sides with respect to u. So we are going to get sine y. So we are going to get, if you differentiate this, you get cos y, then the y over the u. That is, you multiply, when you differentiate this, multiply by the y over the u is equal to 1. So at this stage, our dy over the u is equal to 1 over cos y. So this is what we have got now. So the y over the u is equal to 1 over cos y. The next thing to do is to find y itself. The question is demanding for the y over the x, not the y over the u. So in order to move ahead of what you are doing, we know that the y over the x will be equal to the y over the u multiplied by the u over the x. Hence we get 1 over cos y, which is the y over the u, to multiply with the 2 we have up there. So 2. And that will give us 2 over cos of y. Now we have to make y the subject here. You have to eliminate this y, and it should be in terms of x. So how do we go about that? So let's see. Now we already know that cos squared y plus sine squared y is equal to 1. So to make cos y the subject, cos y squared or cos squared y will be equal to 1 minus sine squared y. So I'll take square roots and I'll have cos of y to be equal to the square root of 1 minus sine squared y. But we know that sine y is u here, so I'll represent the sine y with u, and I'll have my cos y to be equal to square root of 1 minus u squared. So I'll represent this with this. So I'll have my dy over the x to be equal to 2 over the square root of 1 minus u squared. What is u? Our u was equal to 2x. So what you're going to get is 2 over the square root of 1 minus 2x all squared. And that will give us 2 over 1 minus 4x squared all under the square root sign. And this is the solution for the question. That is, this is the derivative. This is the derivative of arcsin of 2x. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to get related videos.